daw yung sikreto ni Catherine Bernardo kung bakit maganda yung
Kutis.
balat niya, yung kutis. Like celery juice. Appreciation bro, pag nandito na to sa plato, kumbaga ikaw nagpitas nito ba, mas ma-appreciate mo kumbaga.
So we have here also, yan. We have their flowering pechay.
What do we do with this later?
Maybe we could just pair it with our fish.
Nice.
Kasi yun naman din yung binubuo na natin na dish. Sama na lang natin yan. Yung mga ganito kasi, hindi mo na siya kailangan pag-isipan.
Oo.
Good thing is, the flavor.
Parang rabbit lang to si chef eh. Kahit ano lang, pinapasok sa bibig eh.
Kasi-
Gugulang yan, baka.
That's part of the experience eh.
Oo. Patikin mo nga,
And
nahiya
even-
din ako sa'yo chef, baka
No, the good thing is,
may, parang alangan yan ah.
hindi rin talaga advisable that you wash your produce too much.
Yes, yes.
Lalo na pag chlorinated yung tubig.
That's why bro, when you go to really, really organic, fresh shops, and sometimes you find like a caterpillar there, mga ganyan. Ibig sabihin talagang fresh na fresh yan eh.
Sa hotel lang, pag may nagko-complain sa akin, ba't may uod yung lettuce mo?
Fresh
Sabi
tayo.
nga nila, di ba? Don't panic. It's organic.
Oo, tama, tama. Tara siya, pero na! Tatlong oras tayo naghintay, walang pangalan siya. Hindi ka lang chef fisherman ka rin.
Oo nga eh. Biruin mo sa isang hatak, apat.
Fresh, organic ingredients at bagong huling pang shoes. Perfect na perfect ito para ipa-experience natin kay Mateo ang ating grilled fish, lemon butter sauce, at mango salad.
Gagawin natin bro. Brother, napakasimple lang nito. Pang-gishoes. Kung makikita mo naman, ang laki, di ba?
Yeah.
The great thing about this is hindi pa ito yung pinaka full grown niya talaga.
Okay.
O may
How
nakita.
big do they get?
Yung pinakamalaki na nakita ko locally parang nasa around 16 to 18 kilograms.
Wow.
So ganyan siya kalaki tapos bondat na bondat. Ang maganda kasi dito, hindi siya kailangang pakainin lang ng feeds.
Okay.
They can actually survive on, yun nga, azola, yung mga ganong organic feeds.
Okay.
So hindi sila demanding. So kung backyard farmer ka lang,
Okay lang.
Yeah?
Easy
Kaya.
easy to grow.
hindi rin sila
Easy to
demanding.
breed.
Yes. So, yeah, kagaya nito, yung dill. Kasi medyo on the bland side ang ang dory, di ba? So, just to infuse lang flavor.
Ano, celery din, maglagay.
Of course. And then we're gonna pair this up, once it's done, with a very nice lemon butter sauce. So, yeah, may ganun tayong backup kung sakaling hindi man mag-work yung flavors na ginawa natin, but meron naman tayong siguro pang salo. So, ganun lang kasimple. I'm basically just using dahon ng saging just to protect lang yung meat niya. Parang in a way, nagsisteam yung fish sa loob. Kasi
So around how long will you be cooking this for?
pag ganito kalaki, more or less mga 30 minutes to.
Okay.
Siguro mga 20 minutes each side just to be safe. And then, ganun lang kasimple. Lagay na natin yan dito.
So while that's cooking, we're gonna make a salsa.
Of course, kailangan. We have to celebrate din yung mga ingredients na meron sila dito.
Ayos.
Sige, brother.
Green mangoes.
Oo, side lang to.
Peel it.
Please. Mahilig ka ba sa Indian mango?
Oo. Tapos may bagoong.
Yes,
no?
sir. Oo.
Yun na yun.
Sisisun lang natin yung ating side
Okay.
with some salt.
Okay.
Kumbaga parang, in a way, parang ipipickle natin siya. With some salt. And some...
Sugar?
Yes, please.
Sugar. Have oil.
Yan.
This is chili oil.
Yes.
What's this?
No, that's fish sauce.
Oh, fish sauce.
Oo.
You want some peppers?
Dahil hindi ka fan.
Huwag na.
Oo, wag na lang. Kung na lang yan on the side siguro kung sino man yung may gusto. So yung salt is basically just to draw out yung moisture.
Okay.
And then the fish sauce is yung umami side naman nung pangpalasa natin.
Okay.
So just mix this. And then para, kuwan lang siguro, just to add lang some contrast sa flavor, we'll just add in some wansoy or coriander.
Masarap yung wansoy.
Oh, diba?
Gives it a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we cut lemons?
Yes, please. And for this, you don't want it to be parang super aggressive.
Okay.
Gusto natin chill lang siya dyan.
Ganun mo, squeeze mo.
Yeah, let's squeeze some. Siguro half muna ngayon para later, bago natin i-serve, saka natin
The next
squeeze
half.
yung, yeah. Kasi as it gets siguro exposed to heat, medyo nawawala yung lasa niya. Oo. So, para lang mas fresh bago mo siya i-serve, you'd wanna make sure na siguro latter part na yung isa. Yan o. Palalaputin lang natin siya. Konting elbow grease lang yan. Whisk mo lang ng konti before we pour in doon sa ating fish. Yan, flip lang natin siya. So, see? On this side,
Luto na.
oo, juicy eh. Oh. And then, balikan natin siguro mga after 15 to 20 minutes.
Ayos.
Alright.
Rolling muna tayo doon.
Siya, tara. Alam mo, dahil may dahon ng saging, sunog na siya, di ba?
Oh.
But as we peel off yung layers ng ating banana leaf, makikita mo, ayan oh. Tsaka very,
Wow.
yung itsura niya, para siyang madikit na paste. So that's a pretty good sign na very moist yung ating fish.